day all my dreams will come true. Good morning, Baltimore. There's the flasher who lives next door. There's the bum on his barber stool. They wish me luck on my way to school. Good morning, Baltimore. And someday when I sing to a blur, the world's gonna wake up and see Baltimore and me. I know every step, I know every song, I know there's a place where I belong. I see all those party lights shining ahead, so someone invite me before I drop dead. So, give me a chance, 'cause when I start to dance, I'm a movie star. Something inside of me makes me move. When I hear that groove, my mom tells me no, but my feet tell me go. It's like a drama inside my heart. So, don't make me wait one more moment for my life to start. I love you, Baltimore. Every day's like an open door. Every night is a fantasy. Every sound's like symphony. And I promise, Baltimore, that someday when I take to a blur, the world's gonna wake up and see. Gonna wake up and see Baltimore and me. Baltimore and me. Baltimore and me.
So, yeah, that was Good Morning Baltimore. The next song we're going to sing for you is The Nicest Kids in Town. So, over to Luke.
Hey there, teenage Baltimore. Don't change that channel, 'cause it's time for the Corny Cottage Show. Brought to you by Ultra Clutch Hairspray. Oh, every afternoon when the clock strikes 4, that crazy bunch of kids crash through that door, yeah. They throw off their coats and leave their squares behind. Then they shake it like they're losing their mind. You'll never see them frown. They're the nicest kids in town. So every afternoon you turn your TV on, and we know you turn the sound up when your parents are gone, yeah. And you twist and shout for your favorite stars, but you practice every step that's in your repertoire. Better come on down, you're the nicest kids in town. Nice one kids who like to lead the way, and once a month we have our Hero Day. But I'm the man who keeps it spinning round. Corny cons with the latest, greatest Baltimore sound. So every afternoon drop everything. Beats are ring round and you can dance and sing. Forget about your algebra and calculus. You can always do your homework on the morning bus. Tell a bird from him now, the nicest kids in town. Roll call. So if every night you're shaky that you lie in bed, and the bass and drums are pounding in your head, who cares about sleep when you can snooze in school kids in town.
Thank you, Luke. That was Nicest Kids in Town. We have Sam here. He's Link. He's going to sing his song, It Takes Two.
It's a man's world, well, that cannot be denied. But what good's a man's world without a woman by his side? And so I will wait until that moment you decide that I'm your man and you're my girl, that I'm the seed and you're the pearl. It takes two, baby. It takes two. A king ain't a king without the power behind the throne. A prince is a pauper, babe, without a chip to call his own. So please, darling, choose me. I don't wanna rule alone. Tell me I'm your king and you're my queen, that no one else can come between. It takes two, baby. It takes two. Don't you know that Lancelot had Guinevere, Mrs. Claus at Old St. Anne? Romeo had Juliet, and Liz, she has her head. They say it takes two to tango, well, that tango's child's play. So take me to the dance floor and we'll twist the night away. Just like Frankie Avalon had his favorite musketeer, I dream of a lover, babe, to say the things I want to hear. So come closer, baby, oh, and whisper in my ear. Tell me you're my girl and I'm your boy, that I'm your pride and you're my joy. I'm the sand and you're the tide. I'll be your groom if you'll be my bride. It takes two, baby. It takes two. It takes two, baby. It takes two.
Thanks, Sam. Next up, we have Mama and a Big Girl now. So we have Sophie, Tracy, Penny. So yeah.
It's harder than it looks, isn't it, Dan? Heckling my own group. What am I doing?
Stop telling me what to do. No, don't treat me like a child of two. No, I know that you want what's best. Please, but mother, please give it a rest.
it's Without Love. And I will get names of the cast this time. We have Penny, Link, Seaweed, and Tracy. So, where you go, guys.
I was a selfish fool who never understood. I never looked inside myself, though on the outside I looked good. Then we met and you made me the man I am today. Tracy, I'm in love with you, no matter what you weigh. 'Cause without love, life is like the seasons with no summer. Without love, life is rock and roll without a drummer. Tracy, I'll be yours forever, 'cause I never wanna be without love. Tracy never set me free. No, I ain't lying. Never set me free. Tracy, no, no, no.
Once I was a simple girl, then stardom came to me. But I was still a nothing, though 1,000 fans may disagree. Fame was just a breeze in the signing autographs aboard. I didn't have a clue till you came banging on my door. That without love, life is like my dad without his girl. No, without love, life's just making out to Perry Como. Darling, I'll be yours forever, 'cause I never wanna be without love. So darling, throw away the key. I'm yours forever. Throw away the key. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Living in the ghetto, that is everywhere you go. Who would have thought I'd love a girl with skin as white as winter snow?
My ivory tower life was just a hostess snack. But now I'm tasting chocolate, and I'm never going back. 'Cause without love,
Life is like a beat that you can follow.
without love, like a story sea and need a hollow.
Darling, I'll be yours forever.
'Cause I never wanna be
Without love. So darling, never set me free.
I'm yours forever.
Never set me free. No, no, no. If you're locked up in this prison, Trace, I don't know what I'll do.
I think I've got to break out so that I can get my hands on you.
Girl, if I can touch you now, I'm gonna lose control.
Seaweed through my blink by night, I found my dark soul.
With freedom as I blow. Trace, I wanna kiss ya.
Then I can't wait for parole. Oh, Link, I've got to get out of here. If we only had some hairspray and a Zippo lighter, we could make an easy bake oven kind of blowtorch.
Well, I've got a Zippo lighter, and I've also got a can of hairspray.
Oh, Link, what a special night. You're ringing our very own blowtorch.
Oh, Tracy.
Oh, Link, oh, Seaweed.
Oh, Penny.
Without love,
Life is like a prom that won't invite us.
without love,
Without love.
life's a 45 and you can buy it.
Without love.
Life is like my mother on a diet. Like the week that's only Sundays, only ice cream, never Sundays. Like a circle with no
this next one. You all would have heard it many times over the years. It's You Can't Stop the Beat. So let's go. Let's go.
You can't stop in avalanches and races down the hill. You can try to stop the seasons, girl, but you know you never will. And you can try to stop my dancing feet, but I just cannot stand still. 'Cause the world keeps spinning round and round, and my heart keeps time to the speed of sound. I was lost till I heard the drums, then I found my way. You can't stop the beat ever since this whole world began. And when we're back, she can shake my hand. So I'm gonna shake you, that's what I meant to say. So you can't stop the motion of the ocean or the sun in the sky. You can wander if you wanna, but I'll never ask why. If you try to hold me down, go spit in your eye and say, you can't stop the beat. Anybody got a secret? I know, check for it. You can't stop the river as it rushes through the sea. You can try to stop the hands of time, no, just for me. Let me think of the seaweed upon the end of the lazy thing. The world keeps spinning round and round, and my heart keeps time to the speed of sound. I was lost till I heard the drums and found my way. You can't stop the beat ever since you started again. And then I shake it, I can shake it, my band. So I'm gonna shake it, shimmy, and that's what I meant to say. You can't stop the motion of the ocean, of the sun, the sky. You wanna, but I'll never ask why. If you try to hold me down, go straight in your eye and say, you can't stop the beat.
Tracy, I've got something I'd like to add. You can't stop my happiness, 'cause I like you the way I am. And you just can't stop